Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to start a new video for you. We're going to start with those double-digit numbers. So hopefully you practice writing those numbers 1 through 10 and making how many circles and putting them either in rows or columns or towers. I have a few minutes to make this video, and then I got to take little baby Gus to his appointment. He has a doctor's appointment today. So, are you ready to get started? So you need a pencil, a piece of paper, or your dry erase board and your dry erase marker. Okay? All right, let's get started. I want you to go ahead and write the number 10. Think about what two numbers make up the number 10. And then draw me 10 circles. And remember, in these videos, you can pause Mrs. Ryan at any time if you need some extra time, okay? So the number 10. So the two numbers that make up the number 10 is a 1 and a 0. And here it is, a 1 and a 0. And I have 2 rows of 5 because we know if we skip count by 5, 10. Okay? Give yourself a high five or give me a high five. See this little leaf? It's my flower. That's okay. All right, are you ready for the next number? 11. Write the number 11. Think about what two numbers make up the number 11. I want you to also write 11 circles. Okie dokie, here we go. Remember, you can pause me if I'm going too fast. 11. 1 and 1 make up the number 11. And we can skip count and say 5, 10, plus 1 is 11 because we know how to count up, right? 5, 10, 11. Very good. High five. Okay. Bet you can't guess what the next number is. I know you did. Number 12. What two numbers make up the number 12? Write the number 12 and show me 12 circles. Okay. All right. The number 12. Check your work. 1 and 2 make up the number 12. 2 rows of 5 plus 2 equals 12. 12. Okay. Good job. All right. Number 13. What two numbers make up the number 13? 13. Okay. Good job. 1 and 3 make up the number 13. We know that 2 rows of 5 equals 10. 5, 10, plus 3, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. Good job keeping all those circles in a row or a column or a tower, whatever you want to call it. Good job. You like my sound effects? All right, number 14. What two numbers make up the number 14? I know you know. Good job. 14. 1 and 4. Make sure you're checking that you have your numbers turned around the right way, that no numbers are turned around backwards. You've written your numbers nice and neat. Your O's or circles are in a line. 5, 10, 15, or excuse me, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we know that 10 plus 4 is 14. See, those are number sentences. You're learning a lot of math just by doing this. Okay, high five. Ba-choom. Okay, number 15. What two numbers make up the number 15? Okay, good job. 1 and 5 make up the number 15. Now this is going to be easy. 3 rows of 5. Let's skip count by 5. Ready? 5, 10, 15. Very good. Excellent. I say let's give us double high fives. Boing, boing. Good job. Good job. Number 16. What two numbers make up the number 16? Number 16. Okay, excellent. A 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. Okay, so we already have our 3 rows of 5. 5, 10, 15 plus 1 is 16. Do you hear Jack Aubrey? Okay, here we go. High five. Good job. Number 17. Number 17. You can hear the numbers in the number, can't you? 17. Good. So we know that the teens start with a 1, and then the number you hear, 17, is the last number. Gus just got his leash. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. 3 rows of 5 plus 2 is 17. Good job. Excellent. High five. Here we go. Ooh. You saw it. Number 18. Oopsie. Okie dokie. Here we go. Ready? What two numbers make up the number 18? A 1 and an 8. Ready? 1, 18, and an 8. 18. Let's skip count because we already have our O's or circles in a row. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Excellent. Good job. Okay. Number 19. 19. We know that teens start with the number 1, and then you hear that number 19. 9. You hear that clue? Good job. Ready? A 1 and a 9 make up the number 19. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Good job. So you have 3 rows of 5 plus 4 equals 19. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to give you double high five. That's double. Okay, ready? Now, we're getting into the next set of numbers. 20, 20. Okay? 2. What two numbers make up the number 20? Are you ready? A 2 and a 0. 2 and a 0. 5, 10, 15, 20. You know what Mrs. Ryan did? She got crazy. Look at here. See, I made a mistake. I was in a hurry. I got to fold my piece of paper. Uh-oh, Mrs. Ryan. 5, 10, 15, 20. Only 4 rows, Mrs. Ryan. I got circle happy, didn't I? Ooh, ooh. Shame on me. Ready? 20, 2 and a 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 rows of 5 make 20. Very good. Okay. There you have it. So hopefully that you checked your work, you did it first, and then you checked your work, okay? And then the next video will be 20 through 30, all right? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So all of those numbers are going to start with the number 2. And then you can hear the number after 21. So a 2 and a 1. 22, a 2 and a 2. Okay? Practice that on your own, and I'll make the video here in just a little bit. All right, see you in just a little bit. Bye-bye.